Hello guys, another thing I want to point out too is if you have stripped out holes when you're putting your screws back in your panels and stuff like that, and then you decide to go get a bigger screw to replace that and make the hole, make it fit, and then now you get mismatched screws and stuff like that. I like to keep the heads a lot smaller on my panels because when I had this bolt, somebody did that, you know, stripped out. So they used a bigger bolt head, and bigger bolt, I mean it was gigantic, just hideous. So I went back and got some smaller ones. So what I did, I filled the holes in. I used Marine Tex. Marine Tex, this stuff is awesome. I use it for patch jobs on my boat under the bottom hull, which I really don't care, because you know, you hit stuff with fiberglass. You know, I'm trying to be careful, and you just can't sometimes. You're going to hit something in that water. So sometimes if I get a little ding, I use this stuff, and I tell you what, this stuff is amazing. Marine Tex, guys, you gotta try to check that stuff out. But anyways, I just filled the holes, and you gotta let it sit and dry. You know, at least give it a, I don't know, I let it sit all day. So, and then I put my panel back on there, lined everything up. I drilled the holes for the size screw that I wanted. Use the right bit now. Don't use too big of a bit, otherwise. Or too small or too big. You just want to get that right bit. Get that bit that fits that shank in the middle. And then leave the thread showing. So when you look at it, take that drill bit and put it in front of there and just make sure you can still see the threads on top. And then you're golden. But yeah, fill the holes in with Marine Tex if you have stripped holes on anything for your panels and stuff like this. This stuff's amazing. I re-tapped the holes. And I tell you what, I got them drilled out, and they fit perfectly. That Marine Tex is some strong stuff, man. I'll show you. Some strong stuff right there. You can see where I put the Marine Tex. I just took like, you can use anything. I use a screwdriver. You mix your stuff. You got your hardener and your resin. Mix it all up. Get a nice gray color. It's going to almost look like the color of this panel. You want that grayed out like that, and then you know it's perfect. See how that's gray? So mix that stuff up, let it dry, and that stuff is solid. Stuff is strong. Bam! Just like that, people. That's what you got to do. Give her a try. So that's the easy fix. And now I got nice small screws that fit in the panel. So those hideous big ones, you can tell they're big because look at the marks around the smaller screw now. And the bolts, or the screws that were in it, were a size like this. Look at the difference. Look at that. It's big. That's just, you don't do that. Don't use a bigger screw to replace the small strip screw. You see what I'm saying? The difference? So somebody stripped the small screw that came from Ranger. They decided, well, hey, let's put a bigger screw in it, and it looks hideous. It looks hideous on there compared to the smaller one. I put a new roller on it. Had to remount this thing. Used that 5200. That stuff's amazing. That stuff is strong stuff. But yeah.
Perfect.